When someone walks into your washroom, they're likely to notice the things that you stopped paying attention to a long time ago, like your floors or that smell. As time goes on, your washroom gets more difficult to clean, and neglected areas become more apparent. When was the last time it had a thorough, deep cleaning? Daily cleaning is great, and of course a must, but if you aren't treating every surface with the same care, you're ignoring a world of bacteria and grime. As your business grows and traffic increases, so does the importance of having a clean washroom. Clean washrooms improve customer perception and create a positive customer experience. There are many benefits to having a clean washroom. SaniRestore reduces malodors, improves customer experience, protects fixtures from long-term damage, reduces exposure to harmful bacteria, which in turn reduces employee absenteeism and improves morale. SaniRestore uses specialty equipment to provide a deep, powerful cleaning solution ideal for commercial washrooms. This service ensures that hard-to-reach areas, commonly neglected by traditional daily cleaning methods, are properly cleaned and sanitized. This includes your floors, baseboards, partitions, fixtures, and other surfaces. So what happens during a SaniRestore service? Upon arriving for your scheduled service appointment, the technician readies the washroom for treatment. The technician uses an indoor power washer combined with a chemical injector to apply the appropriate chemical solution. While the solution is left to penetrate the surfaces, the technician scrubs and details washroom fixtures by hand. Special attention is paid to neglected and hard-to-reach areas, such as beneath the rim, behind the commode, flush holes, floor bolts, grout lines, and corners. A freshwater rinse using a powerful 400 psi power washer blasts built-up soils away, which are then vacuumed and surfaces are hand-dried. Where needed, Citron technicians utilize the SaniMop, an advanced oscillating floor scrubber to remove dirt and buildup from the floors and grout lines, while leaving your floors instantly dry. Before wrapping up, the mirrors are cleaned, vents are vacuumed, and touch points are disinfected. The technician returns all accessories and your washroom is ready for use. Isn't it about time you revived your washroom? Contact Citron today about SaniRestore and give your washroom the clean it needs. Citron Hygiene, building healthy spaces.